Hello guys, I'm so happy. I'm supposed to sleep na guys. Tapos, nag-cellphone lang ako kasi pagod ako last night or yesterday kasi birthday ng anak ko. So, matutulog na ako dapat guys. So, etong mga anak ko guys, nagulat ako. Bigla na ako sinurprise dito. Abo kayo flowers! Oh my gosh! This is my first time guys. To receive a bouquet of flowers from my daughter and my son, yung nag-birthday yesterday. Thank you so much, guys. And meron pa sila, guys. Look! This is my favorite muffins. Yun, this is so yummy, guys. Ito yung in-order namin, remember, nung nilibre din ako nung anak kong babae. Nagkape-kape kami. So, ito din yun. Ayan. So, di ba guys? I'm so happy and touched sa ginawa ng aking mga anak. I'm so happy and surprised talaga, guys. Promise, cross my heart. Thank you so much. I just want to flex lang, guys. Kaya yun. Nagpa-video ako sa anak ko talaga, guys. Kasi I just want to say thank you to them. Super thankful ako. Ayan. Thank you so much sa aking anak, Unica, si Nicole, and sa aking anak na si RJ Jr. Thank you so much, mga anak. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.